A humble fisherman lived by a quiet river. He caught only what he needed. Life was simple and peaceful. One day, the emperor offered him gold. Catch more, sell more, get rich. The fisherman asked, "And after I'm rich?" The emperor said, "Then you can rest and live in peace." The fisherman smiled, "But I already do." That was then. Today, peace isn't simple. Prices rise, ads chase us, subscriptions pile up. We don't need less. We need control. Track your spending. Find your peace. Download JajanTracker for free today. Available on the App Store and Google Play. For more stories and tips on mindful spending, follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram at JajanTracker. And don't forget to subscribe.